guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome, my name is Jasmine. If you're new here, my name is Jasmine. Welcome. I'm so glad you guys selected this video. That means a lot to me. And today I want to share my unboxing. I'm going to share base and premium, but I'm going to do something different today. I usually open the boxes so that way I have an idea what I'm going to do, what look I'm going to create, which products I'm going to use on camera. But today is going to be different. You're going to see my reaction opening the boxes. But before we get started, I want you guys, I'm going to quiz you guys if my reaction is positive due to an item that is in the box. So you guys are going to let me know in the comment section which item you think it is. That I'm super excited when I saw this item in the box. So I'm going to be putting these three names and you guys have to guess which one is going to be. Let me know in the comment section. Once we get started with the base box, I'm going to tell you exactly which one is the one that I was excited once I opened my box. So I opened my box on camera. You guys are going to see my reaction and which one was the item that actually I was wow. And there was an item there that I thought I was going to get but I didn't get, but that's okay. That's why it took me a little bit for that. Also on this video, I'm going to be using most of the products I got, including a tutorial how I did this eye makeup look. So guys, let's go ahead and move on to the base box. And the base box, look at this. Get started to see which variation this is. This is variation number 38, and as you know, the theme is candy shop. On this section, I'm going to be putting dates. As you know, I like to share spoilers. I don't want you guys to miss out on any future dates. So here's letting you know that in November, save the date, November 10th, it's going to open a pop-up Boxy pop-up, and as you know, you save so much in there, and there's a list of stuff that you get in pop-up that you don't get on add-ons. Also, I'm going to be putting the date for October. That is coming up next week already, and we're gonna, guys, get this is a little bit different, so keep your eyes out. You're gonna be able to make your selection for the base and also for the premium on the same day. And I'm just telling you guys, I know it's not a spoiler video, but I don't want you guys to miss out on that. Oh yes, I'm excited for this product, Murad. I did not select this. Guys, I selected a dose of colors. I purchased the Farsali Quench, which I have been using it for a few days now. I love how it does help hydrate, and it's like you don't have anything on. But I also wanted this product too, so I'm glad to see this in the box because I need a really good cleanser. This cleanser you can only use a few times in a week only because it does have the acids like AHA and BHA. It's an exfoliating cleanser and it's perfect for my type of skin. So for $40 for a cleanser, so I'm impressed and I'm glad that I got this in this box. Now, moving on, we have Pretty Vulgar. I love this brand, Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bee Face, and this is a face palette and I'm wearing it today. This one retails for $32. I'm contouring my face with this product, very pigmented, very powdery here, so you have to be very careful when it's falling out. But third item we have, oh, I wanted to try this, guys. I feel like this is giving me a scent of oatmeal. It's very light. It's not as strong as the lotions, which I love. I actually got more from the add-on store. But guys, this is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted. It's the shade Keep It Real. I'm excited. It's really soft. Then we're gonna move on with Ace Beauty. Ace Beauty, this is a Draw It Lip Liner Duo. This one retails for $16. Guys, this is very pigmented and very super buttery. This is called So Gorgeous, and the other one I think is Be Peachy. So cute. Here are the swatches right here. And last, guys, this is a Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. I'm so glad that I got this product. It does feel super light, and you have to control how much you're gonna put on. You don't even have to press that much, and it feels so fine and so soft. So $23. I know. Finish my base box, so now let's go ahead and move on to the premium box. So what was the item that I was excited about when I saw this box, the base box? I wanted a palette, Beauty Bakery, that's the one I wanted, but once I saw, I wanted the balm, the Kiss Tinted Balm. I really, guys, wanted the Murad. That's what I really wanted. I wanted that cleanser, and I'm glad that I didn't get it because I was debating between that or the Farsali, so I'm glad that I was able to get that. The premium box, as you know, this one costs $35, and you're able to select an item, so hopefully you was able to pick one. And as you know, those from Kosas. That is a really good brand. So here is the card, Candy Shop, and the variation is variation number 4. So the first item I want to show you guys is the palette. This palette, I know every charmer is going to be getting it. This is the Illuminati collab with Isabel Bedoya. This was designed by her, and these colors are, I was like, wow, I want to use different colors. There's some colors here I have not seen in other palettes, so I'm excited to play with this, and that's how I was able to create this makeup look. And what I did was I used most of the warm tones. This palette retails for $48, guys, so this palette alone is more than the price of the box itself. So I started with the Baby Girl. I love that color. It's very nicely pigmented, and that's the one that you see in the inner corner. I wanted to use a flat brush because a flat brush, I feel like I'm able to pack the product there. And once you start blending it, of course, you're gonna know it's gonna diffuse a little bit, it's gonna blend, so that means that intensity of that color is gonna fade a little bit. So that's why I wanted to pack with a flat brush first, and I was using the Morphe I believe this is the 433, but any flat brush that you have is good. Yeah, M433. Really like this product, this brush first. And then once I liked how intense it was, then I went in that it was a little bit more intense, was Rose. So I think that is a really nice pigmented, you see that in there, and I feel like it blends nicely between these two colors. And at the end I added Trust. So I love that we got Baby Girl, Rose, Trust. So those were the colors that I used for the more intense color there. If you guys would like to put black, it's up to you, but just wanted to play with those first matte shades, and I left it like that. I blend that out, and then when I did the cut crease, I like to use a more full coverage type of concealer, and I use the Too Faced. I really like that concealer, especially when I'm doing a cut crease. And just with the now a very soft flat brush, you're gonna be seeing using this flat brush. I think I got this from that set that we got brushes a few months back from Morphe too. Cut the crease and spread that concealer all throughout, so then once you packed any shimmer or even matte shades, it packs really nicely there. It seals that concealer too. So then I use 1996. I wonder why that number is there. Went back to Baby Girl right on top of that concealer, so I apply that. Then you're gonna be seeing me doing a line across, because I want that dimension or that once you blend it to blend in that direction. So you're gonna see me doing a line like that with Baby Girl. Then I'm gonna put again Rose, doing that right next to it, and then at the end, once I finish blending those two together, once again I will put more again of the Baby Girl and Rose in the inner corner here. And I love how pigmented, how bright it is. Then I apply Issy right on top. Look at that palette. I just wanted to create a fun look using this palette because this is a fun palette, you could tell. So this one retails for $48. So then I played with this. I even forgot that I have not even put contour or bronze at all. Kosas, and as you know, this was a choice item. You're gonna be able to get either powdery or the cream, a cream blush and a highlighter. So it's really pretty. How much is this product? A blush, this is the duo. This one retails for $34. So I use this liquid lipstick. This is from Laura Geller. Look at this shade. I know there's gonna be a variation. So far I've seen people getting very intense shades. I thought I was gonna be getting an intense color, but I like this color. I think this is more me too. So this is a 50 Kisses lip locking liquid color, and the shade that I got is Ravishing Rose. I guess exactly the colors I was using on the top, so I think that was perfect. I thought it was gonna be a little bit sticky or I don't know, heavy, but I was surprised and I was impressed how soft it felt. This one retails for $21. So let's move on with something new. This is a new brand coming too. Well, actually now it's with Boxycharm. This is Go To Skincare, and these are exfoliating swipies. Oh, that smells really nice. It's like a citrus scent. So look how cute the packaging is. This is, look, I feel like it goes with the decoration in the back. I should just put it in the back. Those guys for $35. And ooh, look at this. This has effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of AHA, ultra hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells. Yes, I want to try this, guys. Clarity Smooth Perfecting Touch. Guys, this is so heavy. Look at this packaging. I love those colors together, and it comes with this little applicator, which is perfect. I love these are the ones that I always use. I clean them, I use them for my skincare, and I love that this one has one too. Then there, so what is Smoothing Perfecting Touch? This one retails for $39. This is gonna work as a primer. Anytime I post this as a spoiler, guys, I have seen everybody tells me they love this product. They feel that this feels so great on the skin. This is silkening, micro pearls fill in. They're gonna fill in the pores, fine lines, and deep wrinkles. Excited to try that, and I'm glad that that came in the box. I also want the toner from Murad, so it was kind of like hard to see, but I'm loving that both variations are great items. And last, I got Fenty Beauty called Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Styler. This one retails for $20. It is. Oh, it is really soft. You see the color there? It's really soft. I like that, and I'm running out of the one that I have. I actually have Hourglass. I also had Billion Dollar Brows, so I love that we have this. And look at this, guys. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Style, and look at this packaging too. I love this, guys. So as you know, this is variation number 4. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got to see. I know, don't judge me, I didn't have my eye makeup done. I didn't even finish doing my makeup. I looked pale doing the unboxing right in front of you guys, opening together, and I wanted to play with them too, but I wanted to see, for you guys to see my reaction. That was my reaction, and I'm glad with the items that I got. I feel like this is a good month too. So guys, let me know if you guys are excited, waiting for your boxes. Did they send you the tracking link yet? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, which one was the one that I was excited for? Yes, it was Murad, the cleanser, and everything else was really a bonus. That's Sol de Janeiro. I still kind of like feel like I smell it sometimes. I like that. The palette was pretty nice too. I love that it comes with a mirror and that lip liner. I think that's a win-win, and I'm loving the premium box. I just can't wait to try it because I heard so many great things about this, and this is gonna be on my list for tomorrow when I do my exfoliating. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.